Welcome back, traders. Hope you all are good. In today's video will be a quick short video, just going to show you the three major apps that you need on your mobile device. You can use this for trading anywhere at any time. If you don't have a laptop, if you don't have a computer, you can always trade from your mobile device. So the first app that we're going to download will be MetaTrader 4. So you go to your Play Store or to your Apple Store, click the search icon, type in MetaTrader 4 and install it. That's the first app. While we're downloading the first app, you can go, and the second app will be Investingcom. Investing.com. So this is the second app that you would need. Investing.com will be the second app that you need. This will be the app that provides you with all the news that is coming out. Everything that's got to do in the Forex market that is news related. So we will go and install that one. And then the third application that you will need is TradingView. TradingView. Okay, I've already installed it. Then you install that. So let's go to MetaTrader 4. So once you've downloaded MetaTrader 4, it will automatically create a demo account for you. As you can see, it's opening up a demo account. So this account you can use to practice your skill, which currency pairs you find more intriguing. But what you need to do is you need to, of course, find the broker that you would like to trade with. And you can create a demo account on that broker as well as your real account. So once you are here, you can see all the pairs, the currency pairs that is available. I want you to click on the top left and the top right hand corner in the three little lines. Click on that and you will now click on manage accounts. So you click on manage accounts. Click on manage accounts. Then in the top right hand corner on the little plus sign, you're going to click on that and you're going to tap on log into an existing account, because you've already created your demo and your real account with your specific broker. So you're going to say log into an existing account. So at the top you'll see there's an option that says find broker. So whatever the name of your broker is, you just type it in. So my broker is IFX. So you can see the IFX pops up. It will give you an option for demo or for live. So I'm going to use the demo account for this illustration. So I'll click on demo. Over here you'll put in your login details and you'll put in your password and you will select sign in. Okay, let's just wait a second. Okay, so once it's loaded, it will give you the value that is in the account, and this will be in US dollars. All demo accounts are in US dollars. So you will see your account number, the broker name, says demo, and the value that's in the account. So at your bottom left hand corner where you see the two arrows, if you click on that, you will see that there is default currency pairs. So what you do is you click on the little pencil in the top right hand corner. You click on the delete icon, the little bin. You select all and you delete. Now what you do is you click on the plus sign. So depending on your broker, you would know which symbol is at the end of each currency pair. So for example, with IFX, which is my broker, there is the currency pair which is AUD CAD dot IMAX. There's always IMAX at the end of every pair. So you will scroll down to find which pair you would like to add. So I want to add Australian dollar against the US dollar. So I'll just tap on that it will automatically go to the list. If there's anything else you're looking for, you can type it in the search bar at the top. So let's say the Great British Pound against the Japanese yen. There we go. So just click on it and it will automatically appear. So when you go back to your list, you will see there's the two pairs that you have chosen. So if you tap on the pair, you can see it says new order, open chart, symbol properties, or advanced view mode. So if you click advanced view mode, this is the way it will look. It will show you the lows of each pair and it will show you the highs of each pair. If you click on view simple mode, that is the way it will look. So it's your preference how you would like your screen to look. I like it in advanced mode, so I'll leave it in advanced mode. If you want to see the chart for a specific pair, so let's say AUD USD, we would tap on it and we would say open chart, and the chart would automatically open. So what you do is on the screen, tap anywhere on the screen and you will see this little wheel appear. On this wheel, you'll see M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, and MN. So this basically is the time frame. So M1 means 1 minute. So it's a 1 minute time frame. Each candlestick will represent 1 minute. M5 will be the 5 minute time frame. Each candlestick will represent 5 minutes. M15, 15-minute time frame. Each candlestick will represent 15 minutes. So you can click on any time frame that you will be trading on. So let's say we select the 15 minutes. So we just tap on the 15 minute and our chart will change. So here at the bottom you'll have an indicator window 1, which says RSI. Will go more in depth with indicators, but this is just how to use the app. So if you want to zoom in, if you like to see your candlesticks big, if you like to see the full mode, you take your two fingers, you move them apart to zoom in. To zoom out, you take your two fingers and you move them together and you can see the chart. And you can just slide across. The date will be at the bottom, the times will be at the bottom. If you like your chart more to the left, all you do on your chart, all you do is you tap and hold it. This line will appear, a vertical line, and you can just drag it. So you can drag it to where you would like your chart to be situated. So let's say I'll leave mine there. So that is how my chart will look all the time. As you can see, when we went on AUD, USD, and we clicked open chart, it automatically highlighted the little candlesticks at the bottom, the icon. That is your icon for the chart. Two arrows is to see your currency pairs. Candlestick is to see your chart. Now the little arrow pointing in the upwards direction, that is to see your account balance. So over here you will be able to see your open trades, the balance that's in your account, your margin percentage, your equity, everything that you need when you are taking a trade and the trade is running will be displayed on the screen. Okay, on this little envelope type of icon, the next icon, this will be your history. So this is where you will be able to see all the trades that you have taken, whether it has ended in profits or in a negative. You'll be able to see the history. You'll also be able to customize it, so you can see today's history, last week, last month, the last 3 months trades that you have taken, or any custom period of your choice. So let's go into how to execute a trade on the platform. So when taking a trade, so we are on AUD USD, let's say we want to take a buy, just for explanation purposes, we're going to take a buy on this pair. So in your top right hand corner, you'll see there's a little plus sign and addition sign. You click on that icon, you will get to this point. So on your market execution, right? Market execution means you are going to instantly take a buy or a sell. So let's say we are going to take the buy. Now, right at the bottom of market execution, you will see in black it says 1.00. Now, this is what we've discussed in the previous video. That is your lot size. So that is the standard lot of 1.00. But when we start trading, we always want to use the 0.01, the lowest lot size. So what we're going to do in order to do that, we're just going to click on it. We're going to backspace, and it will automatically give us the 0.01. That is the lot size that we want. So we will click on buy. The order is now open. That is now our buy that we have currently running. So on the screen, like I said, you will be able to see your margin percentage, your balance, your equity, everything. So now we can see that the trade is currently in a negative of 40 cents. So it's minus 0. Okay, at the moment minus 0.34. So we're minus 34 cents on our current trade. We can see the pair and we can see the lot size, which is 0.01. We can also see our entry, where we took it. Right at the bottom of the pair where it says AUD USD, you will see we took it at the price range of 0.78194. That is where we executed our price. So what we want to do, let's say we want to add a stop loss. Okay, we want to add a stop loss, so we want to enter a specific area, a specific price, where if price reaches this area, we want the trade to close automatically. So let's just check on our chart. So we've entered a buy. So let's say 0.7814. We're going to slide to the side. You see the little pencil icon. We're going to click on the pencil. So on the red, where it's 0.000, it's red underlined, that is your stop loss. The green is your take profit, where you potentially think price is going to and where you would like the trade to close in profits. So in our stop loss, we will just enter the amount. This is just a random amount because just for illustration purposes. So that is our stop loss. So our take profit, we're going to say take profit, let's say 170, and you're going to click on modify. It will take you back to the screen where it shows, okay, it automatically just hit our stop loss. And our stop loss was really tight. So now if we click on the envelope icon, we can see. So here we see the red on the side of the currency pair. That means your stop loss was hit. We can see that we've lost 24 cents. At the top, it says profit minus 24 cents. So that is what we have lost today. But that is basically, in a nutshell, how to use the app. Your little icon, so your two arrows, just to recap, your two arrows to add your currency pairs, click on the plus and you search for your currency pair. Little candlesticks is to show the chart. The arrow is to see your balance, your equity, what funds are in your account and what trades are currently running. And the envelope will be there to see your past transactions, your history, or the trades that you have taken before. So now we're going to move on to the next app. So the next app that we've downloaded was Investing.com. So when we go to Investing.com, this is basically just news related. A news related application where you can just find the latest news, the times that it's coming out. So if you're trading GBP, JPY, you know you need to look for news that will affect that. So let's see. So on the app, you're going to click on news. You can click on calendars. And on calendars, it will tell you the news that will be released today. So here we can see today. Okay, so at 1:30, JPY, the Japanese yen. So if you're trading any pair that has the Japanese yen in it, you need to look out for the news on the Japanese yen. So there's quite a few news coming out on that pair. Here we go, the AUD USD, the private sector credit. So you just check and see what news will affect you on which currency pair you are trading. Also, you see the three bulls underneath below the time frame. That will tell you how important it is or if it will have a major impact on the markets. So right on top we see the New Zealand dollar, and we see that there's three bulls. So we know that this news is going to affect the market in some way. It's going to move the market up or it's going to move the market down. That is in a nutshell how to use the app. It's really not difficult. To just go into the app and you click on calendars and it will show you today's news. You can see the news that will be released tomorrow, the news that was released this week, the news that will be released next week, so you can plan your trades. You can know which pairs to trade for the week if it's being affected by any news, because the news can work in your favor as well. The news can work in your favor if you know how to analyze the charts. It can give you a major push in about 1 to 2 minutes and you can make insane profits. So this is the news app that you will be using. Okay, Investing.com. The third app, so we have MetaTrader 4 and we have Investing.com. The third app that we will be using is called TradingView. Okay, so this is the platform that you use to analyze your charts. So this will be on your laptop, on your computer, but you can use it on your mobile device if you're starting off trading, you're new to trading and you don't have any of those other devices and you only have your mobile phone. So you download TradingView. It will automatically ask you to create an account. So you will log in with your email address, and then on your watch list, you will add the pair that you want to trade. So you'll click on the plus icon at the top right. You will put in the symbol that you're looking for. So let's say AUD USD, and we will just tap on it and it will be added to our list. Now if you want to go to the chart itself and you want to do some analysis, so let's say we're going to go, where is AUD USD? Okay, let's just pick the first one, which is GBP JPY. You just tap on it and the chart will automatically appear. Okay, let me just see what's happening over here. Okay, so on your right hand side you have the price. You can just take your finger, drag it up and down to make your candlesticks longer or shorter. You can use your two fingers as on MetaTrader 4 to zoom in and to zoom out. On your left hand side you'll have all the tools that you would need. So if you just tap on it, it will give you the options. Here you'll find your trend lines, your arrows, everything that you would need in order to do analysis on the chart. And that is basically it. You can use this, and this is how you would take a trade, but this will get in more in depth as time goes along on how to execute it. But the basic tools that you need is your trend line, just over there, your trend line. If you put a star next to it, it will automatically add to a little toolbar. So you can star the trend line, you can star your arrow. We go to the next one. You can star your fib retracement. Go to the next one. You can star your rectangle. You can star the text if you want to make notes on the chart for yourself. Arrow maker, The next one will be the long position. Remember what long means. Long means to buy. The short position means to sell. And then the price range. The price range tool is just there to calculate the amount of pips. So let's just see the price range tool. So let's say I want to see from here. If I had to take a trade from here till there, that would have given me 87 pips. Then you can just remove it. So whatever you're going to store, so if you store, you'll automatically get this little toolbox, and you can just move this around, and all your little tools will be on there that you want to use on TradingView. At the top, you'll have your time frames, so you can choose which time frame you want your chart to be on. You'll have a little drop down over here. It will show you different ways to look at your charts. If you want bars, candlesticks, if you want the line chart. Of course, you're going to use the candle, so then you just click on the candles. That's indicators, templates. Yeah, that's basically it. And then the pair, you just can tap on the pair where it says GBP, JPY, and you can put in the pair AUD, USD, and if we tap on it, it will automatically load the chart. So there we can see it says Australian dollar to the US dollar at the top. So that is the pair that we are currently looking at, and we're currently looking at it on the 15-minute time frame. I think that's about it for today, guys. That is the 3 most important apps that you will use. The most important one will of course be your MetaTrader 4 to execute the trades, and then your TradingView in order to do your analysis to see which way the market will potentially be moving, and then of course Investingcom to check if your trade will be affected by any news. And that's all for today, guys. I hope this video was informative. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you will get notified when the next video will be uploaded.